Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining today's meeting. Let's get started. As you know, we're launching a new marketing campaign next quarter, and I'd like to hear your thoughts. Thanks, Yakate. We've analyzed the latest trends and identified 3 key strategies: social media engagement, influencer partnerships, and email marketing. We believe these will maximize our reach. That sounds promising. Do we have any data to support which of these strategies will generate the highest conversion rates? Great question. Based on last quarter's analytics, influencer partnerships led to a 20% increase in engagement, but email marketing drove the highest conversion rates at 12%. That's good insight. So, would you recommend focusing more on email marketing? Yes, but we should still leverage influencers to boost brand awareness. A balanced approach might work best. I agree. We also need to align the campaign with our sales targets. Perhaps we can integrate promotional offers into the email strategy? That's a great suggestion, Rialo. Let's outline a concrete action plan and assign responsibilities. Absolutely, I'll have it ready. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Let's reconvene next week to finalize the plan. Would you like a conversation for a different business situation, such as customer service, networking, or negotiations?